Welcome to the project demonstration of IoT Human Health Monitoring System on live reading on the LCD screen as well as data displaying on the ThinkSpeak. So here we are going to get the human health parameters like heartbeat and pulse oximeter data from this MAX 30100 sensor, and based on this sensors data we are going to display the live data on the LCD screen as well as on cloud platform ThinkSpeak we are going to store the data for historical purpose. So like this we can store the heart rate as well as SpO2 data. So for this we are going to use the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, and coming to the connections we have interface the MAX 30100 sensor at A4 and A5 and LCD at pin number 2 to pin number 7, and Wi-Fi module ESP8266 interface at the 8 and 9 pins of our Uno board. So from this adapter we are going to provide the 230 volts input, and output is to the Arduino Uno board is 5 volts constant power supply. Before switching on this kit, just enable the hotspot in your phone. So keep the name as project 4706 and a password should be 123456789. So all are small letters without any space. And after enabling the hotspot along with data, then switch on the kit. So when you switch on the kit, there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and place the finger on this MAX 30100 module. So wait, the sensor has to be stabilized. Once it's successfully stabilized, then we can see the live heart rate as well as pulse oximeter data from the right. So we are going to getting the sensors data directly. And so if you want to download this data, go to data import and export and then download. So we can open that in Excel sheet. So this is data along with the entry IDs, and field 1 is heart rate and field 2 is the pulse oximeter. And then after you can delete that. Go to channel settings, clear channel, then the previous data will be erased as we have downloaded that already. And then private view. Now the old data got erased and new data is plotting on the platform. Right. Thank you.